Right, a very good morning to you all. I hope we're all good. It is Tuesday. It's the 1st of August 2023, a new month. Will there be a change in the weather? We're here to take a look at the weather for the next 24 hours. Well, it is a little bit cooler out there this morning. Current top of the hots is 16.3. I think 16.3 Shivner is on the Isle of Wight, and many other southern coastal stations are around 16 degrees. We've lost that really humid air that we've had for the last couple of days. A cold front did sweep through in the early hours, and what has happened is we've actually brought in some slightly cooler air. So if I just bring this back up, we just see that we've now brought in this cooler west or northwesterly flow. But what you will notice today is that we don't have any fronts over us. So today is one of those better days, but make the most of it, because this is your jet stream. It's firing in from the Atlantic at a right old rate of knots, 120 odd miles an hour. So what you've got out there in the Atlantic at the moment is another deepening area of low pressure. In just 12 hours time, there it is. It's knocking on the door of southwest England ahead of a wet night and a very showery and windy day tomorrow. So as I said, make the most of today. But it isn't too bad out there at the moment. The skies are generally fine. It is generally sunny. This is down at Angmering, down in West Sussex. Somebody's garden looking quite nice in the early morning sunshine. We've popped over to someone's back garden in Billericay in Essex, and once again some clear blue skies, a little bit of high level cloud just clearing up the way. And we'll just finish this one off over at, I think it's Dunstable. Yeah, Dunstable, across the downs over there. Once again, a fine start today, a little bit of variable cloud, but that will be pushing out the way ahead of what will be an okay day today. Right, let's now look at how this is going to play out for the remainder of the day. So here we are, as we've already seen. It's a fine start to the day, and it will stay dry during daylight hours. I say should do. 99% of us will stay dry. Just a chance of an isolated light shower. So we'll run this through. This is 8 o'clock this morning. Showers are in the channel. They're going nowhere. But just look down to the bottom left hand of the screen. There comes the next weather system. This is at 4 o'clock this afternoon. And then if we run this forward to 7 o'clock this evening, the rain has arrived, excuse me, across Devon, Cornwall and parts of South Wales. And by 9 o'clock, it's reached the Isle of Wight. And then by 11 o'clock, certainly by the time we should all be in bed, the rain will be arriving across London and the southeast ahead of a wet and showery few hours. That will push out the way, but just look towards the left-hand side, a deep area of low pressure. That's going to be influencing our weather tomorrow. So in terms of your temperatures today, temperatures down a little bit today. I know we've got some sunshine, but you're not going to see temperatures much higher than 20 degrees, maybe a 20, a 21, possibly a 22 degrees somewhere. But yeah, generally it's going to be in that range, 18 to 20 degrees. And the winds today, a bit lighter coming in from the west. These are your typical average wind speeds. So 16 or 17 miles an hour is a moderate force 4. Fast forward this to tomorrow morning. I've put on the gusts because the next low pressure system will be rolling in, and those gusts by dawn will already be in the 40s along that south coast. And just give you a little sneaky peek as to what it's going to be looking like tomorrow. Quite a windy one again, especially in the channel. But we'll look at that one tomorrow. So that is it in summary. I hope you've all found the forecast quite useful. Make the most of it today because it's a dry, fine and sunny day. Cloud will increase later with some rain overnight. Temperatures 18 to 20 degrees in moderate westerly breezes. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. I'll be back tomorrow morning with the latest forecast, but ciao for now.